Have you ever daydreamed about owning a vacation home? A place to take your family and friends to make memories that will last a lifetime? What has stopped you from turning this dream into a reality? It's probably the same concerns that stop most of us. Maybe you've looked for a vacation home in the past and it felt like you were settling for something that doesn't feel like a dream at all. Will you use it enough to make the investment worth it? Or maybe the thought of furnishing and maintaining a second home is just too much, not to mention the cleaning and the yard care it requires. Suddenly this dream starts to feel like a second job. Well, what if there was a way to have it all? Your dream vacation home that fits your budget. A home that comes thoughtfully furnished without skipping on the amenities that are important to you. A place where cleaning and maintenance was professionally managed. At Ancana, we make this dream a reality through co-ownership. You only stay at your vacation home for part of the year, so why not own a share of the home and split expenses? Ancana handles the cleaning and maintenance of the property so you can focus on relaxing and creating memories in your new home. With Ancana, owning a vacation home has never been this easy.